Hey guys, so lately I've been playing a lot of Fortnite, and for the past like 2 weeks or week, Fortnite has been having the celebration of their first birthday, and they have a little birthday challenge where if you complete all the challenges, you get the birthday backpack, and the backpack is a birthday cake. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this cake looks so good. I would love to eat that cake. And then the idea just popped into my head, why don't I make this cake for a video? So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be recreating the Fortnite cake backpack, and by the time you're watching this video, it'll actually be the last day of the event, so make sure you get your backpack. So yeah, let's get started. So I just baked 2 6-inch round cakes and I dyed them purple. Then I leveled them, and now I'm just spreading some blue buttercream frosting in the center. With the top cake, I just flipped it over so that the bottom is facing up, and of course I leveled the cake. And now I'm just putting on a crumb coat all over the cake so that it seals in the crumbs and we'll just have nice smooth frosting when we go back over it. Once you smooth out the frosting, just stick your cake into the fridge for at least an hour to chill. Now that my cake has chilled in the fridge, I'm adding on another coat of frosting, and this is going to be the final coat, so I want it to look as smooth as possible, and I'm just using my offset spatula to do that. This part was a lot of fun for me. Basically, I just took some Funfetti sprinkles and I threw them at the cake to randomly disperse them around the sides, and I mostly focused on the middle part of the cake because we are going to be covering the top and the bottom later on, so you want to focus on covering the middle. So I just put some Cool Whip into a piping bag and snipped off the end, and now I'm just going around the bottom with the Cool Whip and I'm putting it on the top, and I'm using the offset spatula to create a dripping effect to make it look like the Cool Whip's dripping off the sides, and then I just smoothed everything over. This wouldn't be a birthday cake without some birthday candles, so I got a pink one candle and I got some mini blue and white striped candles. And this is our beautiful Fortnite cake, and I'm so happy with how this turned out. It is so pretty and so awesome looking. I think it looks so much like the actual birthday backpack from the game, so I'm just really happy with how this turned out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!